Hi, welcome to SQL tutorial part 4. In this video, we are discussing about left join, right join and full join. Left join means it will return all records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. If there is no matching record in the second table, then the null will be returned for those rows. So let's take this figure. We can see it table 1 and table 2. When I use left join, it will return all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. So if there is no matching, that corresponding columns from the second table will be null. So that's a use of left join. Come to the right join. Right join is just opposite to the left join, means it will return all the records from the right table and the matching records from the what the table mentioned on the left will be returned. Means, as you can see in the figure, I have mentioned table 1 and right join table 2. So it will pull all the records, or it will select all the records from the left table, and if there is any matching records, that is this portion. So that will be corresponding columns values will be selected. Otherwise, null will be returned for that. So that's a right join. Next is full join. Full join means it will return all the records from right and left, matching and as well as not matching records as well. If there is a matching, then the corresponding row will be filled with that column values. Otherwise, null will be shown from both the right and left. So that's a full join. Now we can move to the example. In last video, that is we discussed about inner join. While discussing inner join, we created 4 tables: customer table, order table, state table and order status. It's a kind of order management system sample database. So we have a list of customers here. We have around 10 customers, and the corresponding customer orders are stored in orders table. We have a customer ID, which is a foreign key that is pointing to the customer ID that is coming from customers table. So you can see here is a primary key, and that is used as a foreign key here. So as you can see here, I have 10 customers, but in order I don't have orders for all the customers. Few customers are missing, and state is nothing but it's a master table keeping all the state related records. And next one is order status. It's a different, it's also a master table storing all the order different status that is corresponding to the orders. State is used as a foreign key here, state ID, and order status is used here as a foreign key. Now this is the query which we prepared during our inner join tutorial. I will run this query. It's using all the inner join with customer, inner join with order, and then inner join with state and inner join with order status. And I'm selecting customer ID, name, their state and order details, corresponding order details and order status. As you can see here, if I take let's move into a new query window, and I am just selecting only a distinct customer, c.id. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see here, I have got only 7 customers, But in the customer table, I have 10 customers. 10 different customers are there, but out of that 10 customers, I got only 7 customers here when I use inner join. So my requirement is I need to show all the customers and then corresponding orders. If that's the scenario, then we can use left join. So I'm just removing this other joins and just join only customer and order table with the left join with the same condition, that is join criteria is customer ID equal to O dot customer ID. If I execute this, see, I got all the customers, which means left join will select all the details, all the records from the left table, and if there is a corresponding record from order table, that will be shown. Otherwise, those columns will be shown as null. Now I selecting the inner join query to a new query window, and I'm changing this left inner join as left join, and see how this result is coming. Now I'm joining customers table, left join with order table, and then left join with the state table, and then left join with order status. Now I am executing this query. Now I can see all the customers, and few for customer 4 Alice, there is no order, so that's why those columns are selected as null. And next user is this record. For this record, there is no order, and for this record also there is no order placed. That means out of that 10 customers, 7 customers are placed order, and 3 customers are not placed any orders. So that's a use of left join, that is it will pull or select all the records from the left table, and matching, if there is a matching record based on this criteria, if there is a matching on the table, second table, that will be selected. Otherwise, null will be selected for those columns. Now if I want to see the customers that not placed any orders, I can use this condition where O.id, that is order ID, is null. So if I run this query, I get 3 customers details. See, these 3 customers are not placed any order. So using this kind of left join, we can get the details of orders. We can discuss what is right join. I'm taking the script of this left join into a new query window, and I'm converting it as a right join. So as per the right join rule, it will select all the records from this order table and matching records from this table. If I execute this, I got let's select orders table. I could see there are 13 orders are placed, so that 13 records are selected, and the corresponding records are corresponding customer details are selected from the customer table. Now for understanding this, actually all the orders, for all the orders, customer ID is there. Customer, if you can see, there are customer details are there. So let's take a scenario like there are some orders, but it's an invalid data, and the corresponding customer ID is null. Right now I'm just inserting 2 records, a bad data, and see how we can. So I just inserted 2 order details with the customer ID as null. So right now I got 15 records, order details are there. For to order, there is no customer ID. It's a invalid data. So now let's see what is the result of right join now. See, now I got all the orders. Previously it's same, but right now there are 2 more records which don't have a customer ID. So that's also got selected here, and corresponding there is no customer ID in the order table. So when I join with the customer is not there. Corresponding columns from the customer table will have a null value. So this is the right join. Right join means it will select all the records from the right table and corresponding matching records. If there is a matching record, then those values columns will be selected, and if there is a not matching, null will be returned. Here you can see it's a left join, means it will select all the customers and corresponding orders. So for customer 479, there is no order placed, so that's why the corresponding columns from the order table will have a null value for that rows. So this is right join and left join. Now we can see what is full join. So let's take the same query and put it in a new query window, and I'm converting it as a full join. I'm executing it. Now I can see it's selected all the records from the first table and the second table. You can see it's a combination of left join and right join, means it selected all the customer details here, and the matching for the matching records it selected orders, and for customer 479 there is no order, so that's why these columns are null here. And similarly there are a few orders, order number 14 and 15, there is no customer, so that's why customer columns are null for that record. So it's actually a combination. It's a combination of left and right join, means it will pull all the records from both the table, and matching records will get aligned properly, and if there is not a matching record, null value will be selected for that. Now if I want to select like customers, those are not placed any order, I can write like o.id is null. Just execute this. So now I got 3 customers, customer details, those are not placed any order. Now if I want to select, if I want to see like customer ID, there are order placed, but it's something like a invalid data, and I want to see if there is any order without any customer. c.id is null. See, I got 2 records, order ID 14 and order ID 15. For those 2 records there is no customer details, so that's why these 3 columns are showing as null. So this is all about left join, right join and full join. Thank you.